Thank you for watching another episode of Stone's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Today we are reviewing the LOZ Gingerbread Candy Store. This is a kit we can recommend to you as it was fun and a pleasant experience. Check out the link in the description. A big thank you to all who have subscribed to our channel. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. We're trying to reach 250 subscribers by the end of November and only 56 more to go. On the LOZ Reviews rock scale of hardness of 1 being easy and 10 being rock hard, we get this kit a 4. Looking at the instructions were in a poster style format, which isn't my favorite, but we've become used to it in these small builds. The instructions were easy enough to follow, though sometimes you would do better to look ahead to make sure the build order was good. For instance, some decorations were best added at the end of the build rather than when instructed, as they would probably just keep getting knocked off while building around them. These kits do not use numbered bags. You might have realized that our channel doesn't typically review brand name LEGO kits because to us it would be like reviewing whether Gordon Ramsay's cooking is any good. Of course it is. What you need to know on this question we want to answer for you is this brick kit a LEGO quality experience? This was a good build experience reminiscent of LEGO. However, there's a major difference as these are mini bricks and are not LEGO size or compatible. There were 781 pieces in this build and we weren't missing any pieces. The pieces went together easily, but they don't have the same rewarding snap from a genuine LEGO. And no glue was required in this kit. This kit came with 2 mini minifigs as well as a train engine. Looking at what we liked, this was a pretty quick build and looks very tasty with lots of candy decorations during the Gingerbread Candy Store. It was a lot of fun to put together and we definitely recommend it. The minifigs are cute and include one that is an elephant costume, though I'm not sure why. The thing that we like best about the LOZ mini brick kits is that they don't take up much space. We have a small home and these brick kits just fit better. But don't worry, we will never give up full-size LEGO building, even if we are buried alive in bricks. No numbered bags would be the thing we like least about these kits, followed by the poster-style instructions, but as the kit is small, it all works out to be okay, really. Can a beginner do and enjoy this kit? I think a beginner could do this kit without too much difficulty. I think they'd have fun. Would we do it again? Yes, we really like these LOZ mini brick kits. Check out some of the others on our channel that we did for Halloween. Did you build the LOZ Gingerbread Candy Store? What did you think? Put your comments below. Please like and subscribe to see our latest videos. Our hope is this review will help you decide if you wanted to make one of your own gingerbread candy stores. If you're in a position to support us on Patreon, please click that link in our description. We have a camera that needs to be replaced for $3 a month to get ad-free access to our videos. That Thrux could help you decide what to love making next. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed. And one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon. If you subscribe today, for $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.